want to thank everybody for being here tonight and for coming early to celebrate with us. And so this song I'm going to sing is about being so far from God and God finding you the one sheep out of 99, sorry, or 100. And God leaving everything to come and find you and to save you. And you know, if you knew my Papa, you knew that God was the most important thing to him. Above all things, he loved the Lord. And every time we came together, and a lot of us would sit down for his 2-hour, his 3-4-hour local sessions, can testify that this man was all about the Lord. So if you take anything tonight, I ask that you'll be as God-fearing as my Papa. I know that all of us are crying just because we miss him. You know him, he's such a hard worker. My Papa, he went the best way he knew how. He went working, doing what he loves, working so hard. This man, he's a hustler. That's that Asian blood. The Asian blood, we hustle. We keep our money tight, we keep our wallets close, and we hustle. My Papa's as ching-ching as it gets.